Alright, today we're going to talk about the chop saw here. This is a chop saw. There's two different kinds of blades for it. There's the metal blade here for cutting metal. We also got a block or concrete type blade. This is diamond tip to cut concrete. Okay. Then here we got the PPE wearing. So what you're gonna do is just take this out of the box and wear the chaps itself, put them on, protect your legs. Okay. Then here next we got our face shield. The face shield here to protect the eyes and the face from debris that will come off of the chop saw. And here we got the chop saw itself. So this is the chop saw. The blade will go here. You put the blade in here, and then you'll make sure all your connections are safe. Your handles are good. You know, make sure you have gas in there. Proper mixture of gas. Other than that, we'll be ready to go. All right, on your blade now here, you got to make sure your RPMs here exceed the speed of your tool itself. And then you got this arrow here that shows you the direction of rotation. So when you put this in, the skill saw will rotate only one way. So this arrow here indicates which way the blade should be put on. For the abrasion one, for cutting steel, the RPMs are set here, and make sure, like I was saying, the wheel's RPM are higher than the machine itself you're using. So what you want to do is just right here, we're going to take that nut off. So that nut just comes off, and this nut turns counterclockwise to take off. So the nut here goes here. It's a keeper. The nut does not come all the way off, so you won't lose that. On an abrasion wheel, unless it indicates an arrow in the direction it's turning, usually these you can just put them on by sliding it in here and pushing it on there. So this part right here should be nice and set in there. It shouldn't be wobbly loose or anything. You can come back and you'll adjust these little ears to go right into this little ear here. So you just put the plate on, so you got a good eye on it. So now that you put this on, you look at it on the side here, that it sits flush onto the blade itself, this plate. That'll help pinch and hold it. You go back. You don't have to torque down too hard on this. Just snug it and hand tighten it. That'd be good. So now you're ready to cut. So you got your machine here. You turn on your machine up here. Little off and on switch here and here. You got a choke here, and you'll use the cord to pull it up to start the machine. Before you do that, what you want to do is come over here and don your face shield on. Make sure your face shield is nice and snug. Comes down over it, protects your eyes. If you're cutting certain things, you might want to wear a mask or something if it has a lot of dust, like you're cutting concrete. So then you want to get is a long sleeve shirt. Shake it out. Protect your arms. What you want to do is don your cutting pants on. Now you got everything on, you're protected. Get your gloves, put them on. Alright, now that your machine is running, you're getting ready to cut. Get your item, pick it up, come down to your cutting machine. Make sure you have proper stance, wide enough where you're cutting through here. The sparks come between your legs. So you come down on the material here and cut. Nice and easy.